Hi, welcome to another new video, and today's our topic is how to add pop-up box on your Wix website. So we are going to use the simplest way in this video. So let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you can see we are on our Wix store. So in here we can use existing pop-up option, but I already mentioned that in this video we are going to use the simplest one. So for that reason we need to be a third-party option here. You can see my first tab here we have a website that name is elfsite.com. You can note it, or I will share the link in the description. Just check the description below and you will find the link. Once you click on the link, they will ask you to create an account for uses their widget and template. So in here I already opened an account, so I just will click on the widget option and I will find out that all option for my website. In here you will get the option or access for their service. So in here I will search for the pop-ups and hit the enter for search in here, and you can see we have pop-up. So just click on here and they will give the option to create a widget for free, and it is easy to access, no credit card needed. You just click on here and they will scroll down and they will provide you the access. You can make it larger or full screen for you to use perfectly. So here I will use the new collection. As you can see, our website based on clothes and other kind of stuff, so I will use the pop-up box here. So just create our main thing is when you will click on continue with template, they will give you the access to edit. In here you can edit the heading. Let's give you the sample. So I can give you a name that is best product. So you can see I already complete. I edit, I can change the color, I can change the font, I can change anything. I can make it italic or bold too. Also I can increase the font size for mobile too. I can make it responsible too. Then you have totally full access here. So you can change the image too. You can make it layout more perfect for your users. You can make it like anything you want. They give you the full access here, and it is also free. So just click here add website for free, and it will take time, and then it will be redirect to your new page. In here you need to be click on publish. It will be in the right side in top corner. Just click on publish and they will take few time and your pop-up has been published. So now go to view plans and click on the cross button. You will already selected the current plan for 0 monthly package, so you don't need to do anything here. Just close and you will redirect to here. And now the work has been done almost, but little bit work has been remained. That is, you need to be clean on install. Just click on install, then you will find out the code. Copy and paste this code into desired place of your website. So copy the code and then ship to your website again, and now your work has been done. Just you need to be publish your code in here. Just click on add elements and go further down, and you will find out embedded code option in the left corner in the below of lists. Just click here and you will find out the popular embedded option. In here I found out embedded HTML is perfect for our users. Just click here and you have the option to publish the code. Just paste it here, and here you can see we already have a pop-up box, but it is not working. So you need to be increase it, or before increase it, update your code. Here click on the update button. Once you click on the update button, your page has been done, and you can see that your pop-up box is come up here. And now click on publish, hit the publish button, and you can see your work has been done. Congratulations, your site is published and live online. Click on the done. Once you click on the done, just go to the preview to check that your pop-up box is really working or not. So let's wait for the preview, and then we will find out that our website is working or not. If you found out that this video is really helpful for you, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and obviously share the video with your friends. So thank you so much to watch the video till the end. I will catch you in the next video. Thank you so much.